TQO 1-877-789-7733. This is Weather Radio Canada, station XMJ 225 in Toronto, broadcasting on 162.400 megahertz. This service is operated by Environment Canada. Comments should be directed to 1-877-789-7733. Environment Canada has issued a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 12:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Sunday, July 15th, 2012. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for City of Toronto, City of Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County.
Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le sud de l'Ontario à 12h27, heure avancée de l'Est, le dimanche 15 juillet 2012. Une veille d'orage violent est émise pour la ville de Toronto, la ville de Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, région de York, Nord, Pickering, Oshawa, région de Durham, Sud, Uxbridge, Beaverton, région de Durham, Nord, et Orangeville, Grand Valley, comté de Dufferin, Sud. Prévision